Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, your one-stop center for mathematics. In this video, we shall see how to draw a ray perpendicular to a given line. There are two approaches to the same. In the first approach, a point will be given on the line and we should draw a ray perpendicular to the given line through that point. Whereas in the second approach, there will be a point given outside the line and we have to draw a ray perpendicular to the given line passing through that point. So let's get started. Draw a ray perpendicular to a given line through a point on the line. So this is the first approach where we are given with a line and there is a point on the line. We are supposed to draw a ray which is perpendicular to the given line and the ray should pass through the point. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is we should draw a line. So let us draw a line and we will name the line. Let us name the line as PQ. Now we have to choose a point on the line PQ. So this is the point that is chosen and let that point be termed as X. Now using a compass, center the compass at X and with any suitable radius, draw a semicircle so that it cuts the line PQ and let A and B be the points where the semicircle cuts PQ. So right now we have got a semicircle. Now in the next step, center the compass at A and the radius more than XA, draw an arc. Again, center the compass at B without changing the radius, draw an arc so that it cuts the previously drawn arc. Let the point be Y. Now let us join X and Y. So right now we are drawing a ray through X and Y and let that ray be called as XZ. We have now obtained the ray XZ perpendicular to PQ. Let us now check with the protractor whether angle ZXQ is equal to 90. We can see that it is 90 degrees. Hence we write it down over there. So we have angle ZXQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we have got the ray XZ perpendicular to the line PQ. So this is how we draw a ray perpendicular to a given line through a point on the line. Let us now move on to the second scenario. Draw a ray perpendicular to a given line from a point outside it. So over here we are given with a line as well as a point which is outside the line. So we should draw a ray perpendicular to the given line from this point. So let's get started. First, we shall draw the line. So the line is drawn over here and let us name the line as AB. Now we choose a point outside the line AB. The point is chosen and let the point be P. We are now supposed to draw a ray perpendicular to AB from P. Now choose a suitable radius on the compass, center the compass at P and draw an arc so that it cuts the line AB. Let X and Y be the points where the arc cuts the line AB. Now center the compass at X and radius greater than half of XY, draw an arc. Again, without changing the radius, center the compass at Y, draw an arc so that it cuts the previously drawn arc. Now let Q be the meeting point of these arcs. Let us now join P and Q. So we draw a ray through P and Q, and let us name that ray as PR. So now we have the ray PR, which is perpendicular to AB. Now let O be the point where the ray PR meets line AB. Now with the help of a protractor, we can see that angle POY is equal to 90 degree. Hence, we have finished with our construction. So, we have ray PR is perpendicular to line AB. So this is how we draw a ray perpendicular to a given line from a point outside the line. In this video, we have seen how to draw a ray perpendicular to a given line from a point on the line as well as from a point which lies outside the line. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon